Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fold a cap. This is a traditional model. I'll be using a 6-inch sheet of kami, and we're going to start with the colored side down. Next we're going to valley fold in half along the diagonal. So I'll bring this top right corner down to meet the bottom left corner. Just line those two corners up right there, and then crease it all the way across. Next I'm going to rotate the model all the way around like this, so that the triangle is facing upwards here. Next I'm going to bring this point down to the bottom here. I'm going to do this with just one layer. Then we'll crease across, and you want to make it so this edge is parallel to this edge here. Next we can unfold that. Then we're going to line this edge up with this crease we just made. And then crease that. Then we'll line this edge up with that same crease there. Like this. Next we're going to fold this point down to this edge, just with one layer again. Just trying to keep the point centered, so this edge is parallel with this edge and this edge. Next we'll fold that whole flap down along the valley fold we already have here. Next we'll turn the model over, top to bottom, and then we'll valley fold this point upwards along the edge that's behind it, connecting this point to this point. Now for the next step, we're going to make a rounded valley fold that's going to go from this point over to this point. So it's going to be a crease that extends like this, making a small curve. So we'll start the valley fold from this point here, and then we can start it on the other side as well. Then just try to make a little rounded crease to about this far. And then to connect the creases, we'll open this pocket from the bottom. And then as we're starting those creases, we'll start to press down, making a rounded edge there. So it's going to end up looking something like this. Once you have that, you can make it a pretty firm crease. I know that step's a little difficult, but with a couple tries you should be able to get it. Now next, we're going to look at the top here, and we're going to press down just like that on both sides. And then we're going to valley fold these points inwards. So you have to be working the paper from both sides, so my fingers are inside the bottom, pressing upwards, and then from the top I'm pressing down against my fingers. And we want to do the same thing on this point here. Now I'll show you what that looks like from the inside. And what I was doing is I was holding from the inside here and making creases while pressing down from the top. Now we can just shape this a little bit. So you see, just really lightly pressing in a couple different areas just to get it to hold its shape a little better. And then we're all done. I hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to subscribe. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.